Hello friends, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create a stake account easily and quickly. First of all, click on the link given in the description box and the comment box. This will directly take you to the official stake website. Once you're on the stake homepage, follow these steps. 1. Click on the register button in the top right corner. 2. Now you'll see the registration form, just like on the screen. 3. Enter your email address. 4. Choose a unique username. 5. Create a strong password. 6. Enter your correct date of birth, day, month, and year. 7. In the code, optional section, type INDR100 to activate the promo benefits. 8. Tick the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions. 9. Finally, click on the bright green Play Now button. After that, check your email inbox for a verification email from Stake. Open it and confirm your account. Congratulations! Your stake account is now ready. You can log in anytime and start exploring the platform. Important note: gambling involves financial risk, so please play responsibly. This video is for educational purposes only. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.